Good morning everyone. So today I have a beautiful home. It is in Totana and it is about a 4-bedroom 3.5 bathroom. So let's go inside and check this one out. So this property I'm going to take you in is on 5,000 meters of land, and we have a swimming pool to the back of the property. I'll just take you in now and we'll have a quick look around. So it's a beautiful place, beautiful trees all around, the birds are singing. So just over there, guys, behind the work car, we have the all-important carport. Keep the cars nicely shaded. Beautiful property. And just over to the side here, you got a little children's area just there. So you've got about 3 steps up. You have a little table and chairs here, just where you can just enjoy the sunshine and a glass of wine. Beautiful Juliet balcony above and fabulous windows in this property. Just here you have a little terrace around there and an overhead light. You have outside lights to the porch area. So let's go inside. Now immediately as I come inside, as you can see, we have a dining area. You have windows on either side of the room here and just above there, which illuminates this room beautifully. As I pan around, you can see the living room. Really beautiful. I'll go over here at a different angle, just to show you that's the fireplace. Now I'm going to take you from a different angle again, and I'll just go down the steps. You have 2 steps into the living space here and a pool outside. Lovely views, and as you can see, very large windows which illuminates this beautifully. You also have some wood and some traditional Spanish tiles on the floor. So let's carry on through the rest of the home here. Now as we come through here, you have a kitchen. This is a large kitchen diner with patio doors out into the garden. You've got plenty of top and base units. You've got integrated electric hub, and you have your drainer and your dishwasher just there. On the other side of the kitchen, you have your integrated microwave and oven and your large American fridge as well. I'm just panning around just to give you a good feel for the room here. And we'll carry on through the rest of the house. So as we go through the corridor here, you can see there is all the electrics here, and you have the intercom. Just here on the first door, you have a bathroom. And in the bathroom, you've got your WC, your sink and pedestal, beautiful mosaic tiling and a mirror, some spotlights, and of course your extractor fan there. As I pan around, so it's just a small downstairs toilet. So in here you have your large double bedroom. It is very large. It also has a lovely walk-in closet. In the walk-in closet you've got plenty of room and plenty of shelving. Just down here you have electric wall heaters. Plenty of switches and sockets to the bed. And just over here is your ensuite. So let's go in and have a look in there. Now in here you have your bidet, your WC and your sink. You have a shower there in the corner with a semi-frosted shower screen, large window and plenty shelving. If I pan around, as you can see there's an overhead heater and a large mirror with some beautiful lighting. All fully tiled, really very nicely with this beautiful trim on the marble walls. Now as we come out, we go in and around and you can see this beautiful staircase. So as we come out, you can see there is a wall heater just here. Now as I turn around, you have a utility room just here. So if I bring you in here quite quickly, there is a large boiler and your washing machine, and this is great little room. Now just coming out here, we go into a bedroom. Now this bedroom shares a bathroom. You have patio doors out onto the garden. And if I just pan around, you have these large double wardrobes. Just here you have the desk, and in here is your bathroom. So again, in the bathroom you have WC, bidet, and you have a bath with a shower attachment. Okay, I'll just pan around quickly. And we go into the next bedroom. So in the next bedroom is the same. Patio doors out into the garden. And you've got large double wardrobes there as well. So I'm going to take you out now and we'll go up this beautiful staircase. And I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So just before I get to the top of the staircase, you have got a little bit of storage there as well. And of course you've got that large window illuminating the staircase. So just here you have your patio doors and you have these beautiful windows above in this bedroom up here. Now I'm just going to show you, this is a large, bright and airy bedroom. And you have your Juliet balcony here that overlooks the garden and the mountains in the backdrop there. Absolutely stunning. You've also got insect screens here as well. You got them throughout the property. So I'm just going to take it around the corner here. And just here you have another terrace just outside here. And that is overlooking the pool. Absolutely stunning with the beautiful mountains above. So I'm just going to take you in here now. We have a shower room in here. It's an ensuite to this bedroom. And as you can see, there's a cubicle shower, your WC and your sink and pedestal. You've also got frosted glass windows there as well and a mirror with lighting. So I'm just going to take you back through, and as you can see, I love these beautiful oval windows above the patio doors, absolutely stunning. So I'm going to take you back downstairs now and we'll have a look around the grounds. So I'll see you at the bottom of the staircase. And we're going out and have a look around the garden. I'm going around the front way. Now I've just come out to the front and I'm going to have a look around at the terrace. So that is your dining room, kitchen in there. And there is a lovely area for outside dining just here around by the pool. Absolutely lovely and beautiful tiling all on the floor here as well. And in the distance, if I focus in on there, you can see those beautiful mountains with the sun shining on them there. Absolutely stunning. Come back into the garden and you have a lovely pool. Now it is winter, so the pool is a little bit murky, but in the summer that pool gets totally emptied, fresh water put in and new chemicals, and then it's crystal clear. So this is the property at another angle, and that of course is your window for your living space. You have different areas, especially the shaded one for outside dining, and this fabulous pool. You could do a lot. You have 5,000 meters here, and the views all around are absolutely stunning. Well guys, what do you think of this property? Isn't it absolutely fabulous? Very private, out here on the outskirts of Totana. Beautiful views in the background, fabulous pool and fabulous gardens. You're on 5,000 square meters here, so you could do a lot more to the garden area if you wanted to do, put an outside kitchen or whatever you wished. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolet2sell2buy.com and do check out their website as well. Don't forget to share and like, because somebody out there would love this property. You will find the reference in the title of the video, so when you're making your inquiries, put the reference in your email as well as your contact details. So for now, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.